Welcome to our exclusive video on how to organize your finances, get rid of debt, and achieve true prosperity. In this script, we will guide you through a journey of financial transformation, providing persuasive guidance to help you reach your goals. If you desire a stable and prosperous financial life, you've come to the right place. Financial awareness. In the first act, we will discuss the importance of financial awareness. Ignoring your debts and hoping they will disappear won't solve the problem. It's time to face reality and take the first step towards change. Prepare yourself to confront your fears and open your eyes to the true extent of your debts. This financial awareness will be the fuel that propels your journey towards financial freedom. Setting financial goals. In the second act, we will explore the significance of setting financial goals. Imagine how wonderful it would be to be debt-free, have money to fulfill your dreams, and build a prosperous future. But it won't happen magically. You need to define clear and attainable goals. Transform your dreams into SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. These goals will serve as your guiding light, keeping you focused and motivated throughout the journey. Creating a budget. In the third act, we will delve into creating a powerful budget. Think of a budget as a map that will lead you to your desired financial destination. It's time to take control of your finances and allocate your resources efficiently. Make a list of all your expenses and categorize them meticulously. Identify areas where you can save and cut unnecessary expenses. With a well-structured budget, you'll be on the right path to financial success. Cutting expenses. In the fourth act, we will share powerful strategies to reduce your daily expenses. Imagine how much you could save by renegotiating contracts, cutting utility bills, and eliminating those frivolous expenses that only drain your money. It's time to make smart choices and prioritize your financial future over instant gratification. Every penny saved is a step closer to your financial freedom. Paying off debt. In the fifth act, we will discuss different approaches to paying off your debts. No more being trapped in high-interest loans that seem never-ending. We'll adopt a strategic approach to effectively eliminate your debts. Whether it's using the snowball method, where you pay off smaller debts first for a motivational boost, or the avalanche method, where you prioritize debts with higher interest rates to save money in the long run. You have the power to make this decision and start your journey towards financial freedom. Increasing your income. In the sixth act, we'll explore ways to increase your income. If you're tired of living with a limited salary, it's time to think outside the box and seek opportunities that can boost your earnings. Seek a promotion at work, start a side business, or leverage the power of the internet to create alternative income sources. The possibilities are endless, and you have the power to change your financial life. Investing for the future. In the seventh and final act, we'll emphasize the importance of investing for the future and achieving lasting prosperity. Don't settle for just getting rid of debt. It's time to put your money to work for you. Diversify your portfolio, invest in assets that grow over time, and plan your retirement wisely. By strategically investing your money, you'll be building a solid and secure financial future. Congratulations! You've completed our script on how to organize your finances, get rid of debt, and achieve prosperity. Now you have the knowledge and tools to transform your financial life. Remember, financial success doesn't happen overnight. It requires commitment, discipline, and consistent action. We're here to support you every step of the way. If you enjoyed this video and want to receive more valuable content on personal finance, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. That way, you won't miss any tips and guidance to achieve the prosperity you desire. Enjoy this journey towards financial freedom. The future is in your hands.